How are we? So in my last video, I asked whether you guys would like to see a plopping tutorial with a baby blanket. And it was a resounding yes.
Yes.
From one person. So thanks, Pink Beam. This one's going out to you. So keep watching and you too can look this fabulous. And I've just got to apologise as well for the haze around my phone. I was trying to be a really good parent and take my child to a theme park, and it was so bright and sunny there that when I got my sunnies out of my bag, my phone had somehow slipped in between my sunnies and it too flung out of my bag and cracked the screen. Of course. So this is my only recording device, so I'm sorry about this haze.
First up, you need to lay your blanket down somewhere flat. I use the toilet because I've usually just gotten out of the shower and I'm dripping wet. Next, place all of your hair in the middle of the blanket. Pop the front in on your forehead and then cross it over at the back. All I do next is gather up the back of the blankie and roll it up. And lastly, just grab the ends and tie it up at the front of your head. And you're all good to go.